Hey little buddy. Today I'll draw Bluey jumping high, up to the clouds, light as a feather. It's the story of Bluey jumps for joy. While I draw, you can bend your knees and get ready too. Oh, and before we begin, like this video so you can jump with Bluey. The morning was bright and breezy. Bluey stretched her paws and smiled. Bingo, let's see who can jump the highest. Bingo's tail wagged fast. You're on. They ran outside, the grass cool beneath their feet. Ready, set, jump. Bluey leapt into the air, tail flying behind her. Whoa, shouted Bingo. You almost touched the sky. Bluey laughed. Your turn. Bingo crouched low and sprang up, paws flapping. I'm a flying puppy. They giggled until they rolled in the grass. Mum peeked out from the porch. You two are full of beans this morning, Dad called out. Careful, sky jumpers, don't bounce to the moon. If you love to jump too, like this video, and see how high your imagination can go, Bluey spotted the old trampoline near the fence. Let's try that, she said. They climbed on, holding paws tight. 1, 2, 3, jump! The trampoline pushed them higher and higher. The air brushed their faces, and for a moment, Bluey felt weightless, like a tiny bird in the wind. I'm flying, she cheered. Bingo's laughter filled the air. We're clouds now. They bounced and played until their paws felt tingly. Finally, Bluey flopped down on the soft mat, breathing fast. That was amazing, she said, staring at the sky. Bingo lay beside her. I think the clouds smiled back at us. Bluey nodded dreamily. Maybe they did. If you're smiling right now, like this video, Bluey can feel it from the sky. Mum walked over with juice boxes. You two jumped your hearts out today. Bluey sipped her drink. Yeah, and my heart's still jumping inside. Mum smiled. That's the best kind of jump. The wind rustled the leaves softly. Bluey closed her eyes, whispering, Next time, I'll jump to the stars. So stretch your legs, my joyful friend, let your happy hops never end. And before you rest, so calm and slow, like this video, then off you go.